Hydrographic Information System (HIS) is a geographical information system for waters. Working in web browsers, HIS manages surveys, stores data including depths and underwater objects into a database, shares hydrographical data on map via Internet, and makes excellent drafts for electronic navigation charts. HIS is able to generalize survey data of different survey areas to freely selected scale, choosing best quality of data. Generate isobaths with freely selected interval. Compare uploaded obstacles with existing data. Support conflict resolving. Generate base map for freely selected area, which can contain generalized depths, isobaths, obstacles, wrecks and aids to navigation. Base map format can be DAF, S57, Shape, DXF, KML. Integrate data from other databases, for example, aids to navigation, harbors, fairways. Export and import data according to OpenGIS standard. Perform web map and web feature services. It is a freeware-based solution. Database-driven system, giving access restricted with user rights to unlimited number of workstations. His supports all common browsers. Here Mozilla Firefox is used. Sweden, Finland, Estonia. Zooming in with area zoom. Object data is shown on mouse over in a tooltip. Mouse click opens data window. Right from the tooltip, web links can be opened where present. Continuing zoom with mouse wheel. Changing initial base map for orthophoto. Choosing depth layer. These are depths from the latest surveys, cleaned and checked. Changing now base map for S57. Now depths of last S57 edition are clearly visible. Taking database depths back, and also, rocks and obstructions. Now these data can be even visually compared. Depths from database can be displayed with 4-meter density. His has a powerful query tool, enabling logical combination of conditions. Choosing rec search. Setting search area. Choosing rec higher than 5 meters. Or wreck categorized as dangerous. Right button of mouse opens context menu for the spot. Coordinates. Surveys. List of surveys embracing the spot are listed. Click on Name Open Survey Data. Right from here data can be downloaded to pass the area to survey, or processing, or validation. And right from here, draft for electronic chart can be generated for this area. Area for electronic chart draft can be chosen also freely. His will find all surveys done for selected area. To handle overlapping, automatic processing will be done. First, topological analysis of area borders gives exact areas where overlapping occurs. Second, procedure analysis relevant survey areas and finds which ones have better quality and/or newer data. Thus, querying depths from His gives only newest and better quality data from overlapping survey areas. Depending on required output scale, surveys with unfit densities can be excluded from selection. Following parameters can be set. Required information type. Output formats, S57, dcart, DXF, shape, XYZ, KML are available. Output depends on previous selection. For example, only depths can be sent only into XYZ. Output scale or depth resolution, if only depths selected, from predefined list. Output coordinate system. Contour interval. Pushing button generate plan will start following background processes, which will be supervised in a separate monitor window. First, the defined area will be analyzed to choose the depth selection and overlap handling method. Then depths will be retrieved from tables or cells according to previous choice and generalized into output scale if determined. Next, contours will be generated or selected. Underwater objects added. Finally, all these data will be written into selected output data format and made available for downloading. For example, a narrow corridor can be sketched to plan a fairway along the coastline. Selecting area. 77 km long and 0.4 km wide. Excluding data with unfit scale. Choosing only depths for output to XYZ format. With 4-meter interval. And scale 1 to 1000. Automatic process to compile a fair sheet with these conditions will take less than a minute and the result will be downloadable right away. Data of approved fairways come back to His and can be presented and searched in line with other objects. Additional procedure can be run to calculate minimum depth of the fairway. Administrator can manage almost everything via web interface. When uploading new survey data, His will automatically compare it with existing obstacles and recs. Conflicting data can be resolved manually. and a problem area can be sent for a new survey. Currently, HIS operates with survey areas, borders and metadata, depths, underwater objects, rocks, wrecks and obstructions. Aids to navigation and harbors data is integrated from other systems. His uses standard web map service data and serves web map and feature services out. The way how hydrographic data is collected and update procedures can be different. His is able to adopt different formats and sequences. With duly organized file system, His will monitor data stages and makes them visible on the map. In Estonia, hydrographic data management is based on survey area concept. A survey area is a folder with data from survey lines and some additional data files, which include area borders, statistics, defined underwater objects and all processed depths. Files are in ASCII format and populate automatically the database. Survey areas are classified by survey stage defining workflow. Planned areas are colored with yellow pattern. They has a separate layer. These who are authorized to do surveys can download the plans right from here. If an area has been taken to survey, it will be colored purple. And His will keep the record, who is doing it. After the area has been surveyed, it will be colored blue pattern. Then it will be passed for data processing, the pattern then turns to red. And information about cleaning will be added. Next stage is processed, orange pattern. Now data must be checked or validated, brown pattern indicates the stage. If survey area with validated data has been uploaded, next night a process will start which stores depth and contour data into a seamless depth database. So, after a survey is accomplished, its results can be automatically compiled into a draft for an electronic navigation chart. Next day. Eventually, area with validated data will be declared ready, green pattern. His updates survey stage data daily. His has been conducted by hydrographers of Estonian Maritime Administration since 2006. Each winter a list of new tasks and improvements has been specified. System upgraded for summer. Then tested for the rest of the year. Since 2015 His is available for everybody interested. Thank you.